How's it going, everyone? Landon with LMR.com. Today I'll be checking out and installing these hatchback lift support brackets from 5.0 Resto, designed for the 1979 to 1993 Fox body Mustangs. The lift support brackets from industry leader 5.0 Resto are going to restore vital hatch components on your 1979 to 1993 hatchback Fox body Mustang. The lift support brackets include the two plates that are secured to the body of the car and the individual ball studs that secure to the hatch itself. The plates and ball studs are going to be constructed from steel and then powder coated black for strength and durability. The 4-plate retaining screws are stainless steel and feature a countersink head, which allows it to sit flush with the mounting plate. Now, to get things rolling, open up the hatch and support it with something sturdy. Dislodge the clip from the lift support attached to the ball stud on the hatch with a flathead screwdriver. Let the support sit inside the run channel. Remove the two Phillips head screws from the plate and then remove the entire assembly. Dislodge the clip from the bracket and transfer it if it's still good. Now would be the time to replace these if yours have failed. Unscrew the ball stud on the hatch with the 9/16 deep socket. Take this time to clean both areas. Go ahead and install the new stud into the hatch. Be sure not to over tighten. Install the lift support onto the body side bracket first. Align the bracket and tighten the two provided Phillips head screws. Again, be sure not to over tighten. Lift up on the hatch with your hand and then clip the other end of the support to the stud on the hatch. Repeat these exact steps for the other side of the car. Check your work, remove your hatch prop, and then you're all finished. Now, as far as installation goes, this one should take you about 30 minutes from start to finish. It really doesn't get any easier than this, guys, and 5.0 Resto proves yet again why they are the only brand dedicated to Fox Mustang restoration with the creation of their 1979 to 1993 hatchback lift support brackets. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos and shop LMR.com for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning.